Yaiki. Tomorrow, let me carry another one. Another one tomorrow. Jesus. Now go there.
Today, May 1st, I choose to celebrate Workers' Day a little differently. Right at a construction site, armed with just a basket of fruits, apples, watermelons, and mangoes, I joined a group of hardworking site workers to share a simple but meaningful moment. Most of these incredible men come from the northern part of Nigeria, a region known for its rich fruit harvests. No surprise, they knew exactly how to pick the juiciest slice of watermelon, and even taught me a thing or two about how fruits taste best when they come straight from the source. We laughed, we ate, and even though language was a bit of a barrier, joy made sure communication was never lost. To every worker across the globe, your labor builds the world. Whether you wear boots, suits, scrubs, or aprons, as long as what you do is honest and legal, you are the real MVP. May your efforts bear fruits and your health flourish till retirement and beyond. Happy Workers' Day. You are the hero of today. Let's celebrate those who make the world move. Tag a friend you appreciate today. Workers' Day 2025. Celebrate workers. Respect labor. Gratitude in action. Every worker matters. Laborers deserve their wage. Fruitful labor. Happy Workers' Day again. I am Kobimdi Ofili of Fruits of the Day with Kobe. See you again in the next video. But remember, one fruit a day keeps him, look at him eating watermelon, keeps all of us healthy. One fruit, whichever fruit it is, keeps us healthy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.